Open the fan locking ring mounting ring. With the flat side facing outward, insert the fan from the inside of the garment into the fan opening. Align the raised tabs on the locking ring with the fan clips and secure it in place. Use the Y connector cable to connect the fans on both sides and make sure all connectors are firmly locked to prevent loosening. Connect the other end to the power supply and place the battery into the battery pocket. The controller's first setting is the highest speed, followed by medium and low speed modes. This fan-cooled workwear is designed based on airflow cooling principles, with fans installed on both sides of the waist. Air is drawn in from both sides and circulates along the body surface, accelerating sweat evaporation and effectively dissipating heat. With strong airflow and a refreshing cooling effect, this fan-cooled workwear provides excellent comfort and is an ideal cooling solution for outdoor work in hot summer conditions.